हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बेस्ट इंग्लिश क्लासेस। मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्रतीक और आज हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं एक आइलेट्स एस्पिरेंट भव्या के साथ में। मैं इनसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा और हम लोग ऑब्जर्व करेंगे इन्होंने कैसा रिप्लाई किया। सो आपका क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब एन अनयूजुअल मील दैट यू हैड। व्हेन डिड यू ईट इट? वेयर डिड यू ईट इट? विद whom you had the meal? And why do you think it was unusual?
Okay, so I'm a very selective eater. I don't like to try unusual meals oftenly. But I remember very vividly, a couple of months ago, me and my friend went to a Korean restaurant which is newly launched in our city. So we went there and she is a huge K-drama lover, so she wanted to try a Korean meal once in life and she insisted me to go there. So we ordered number of things there. The name I remember is sushi, kimchi and ramen. I don't know anything about that before I had that, but when the order arrived, I was so shocked by seeing the bland food. I don't like the taste of either one. Actually, sushi is only a rice cake, and that is okay, but the kimchi, I hate that. It is totally bland, and also fish oil is in it, so I hate that those things which hurt animals. So this was the time when I had the unusual meal, and I felt very bad about having it as I had the bad taste in my mouth for the entire day. So yes, this is the thing I had.
Okay, Bhavya, you spoke very well. All the best for your exam.